Hello everyone, welcome you all to Edu Transmitters. This is Suraya Tasneem. Please excuse us guys with that we are not uploading any videos since a very long time. We are very much vexed up with our schedule guys. Sorry for that. We'll definitely come up with a new video very soon. Today I thought of sharing with you my personal goodies, that is the things that I have used in my teaching training program and which will definitely be helpful for you. Let's begin. Here I have a magic box with me. So I'm calling this cute little box as a magic box guys. So let's open it. Here the first thing, each thing that is present in this box has a lots of memories guys. Here I have the thermocol balls. Through this you can decorate your charts and models. How, in what way I have used the thermocol balls is, if you are making the model of ribosomes or any cell model, then the cells you can represent it with these thermocol balls. You can collect each ball and whichever color you are interested in, and you can make the model out of it. And if you want to make the borders with this of the chart, then also you can stick it with the glue guys. Next thing, few crayons, color pencils I have. Here I have the stick notes, removable notes. Through this, what you can do is, whenever you're making the this records, not this what shall I say, your field engagements will be there. In that you need to make it more creative, right? So you can write the props or basic information, few crisp of the information, and you can stick it at the corner of your paper, so that it will give you your teacher the whole idea of the whole paper. Instead of reading it, that crisp information can be written in this add notes. One more, and this I have the different, here I have the different tapes guys, colorful tapes. With these tapes I have make the borders of all the charts guys. And also in your records, when you start the introduction of your any topic what you are writing, at that corner you can the stick this colorful this tapes guys. It will look very beautiful. Here I have my duster that I have used during my teaching training program. And still what I have, you might have noticed this cotton. Why did I keep this cotton over here? With this I have made cotton also play a very important role in model guys. When you want to create any snowy, if you are making a hilly region, you want to explain that clouds and all that, by coloring the cotton with this paint, you can make that model very creative. And I have used this in models as well to make, because see, if you are explaining the cell structure, you can't take explain it directly through the microscope. Means if you want to make the model of that particular thing, the cell, then you can use this cotton, color it with whichever color you're interested in, and then you can stick it. Okay, see, I have a big stapler over here. By this I used to staple the whole lot of pages, because the small stapler won't work with your assignments, right? The B.Ed assignments will be very huge, so you need to purchase this stapler. There is no paid promotion over here guys. I'm just giving you a few tips, so that will be helpful for you. What are the things that you can keep with you, and this won't be waste, right? Every time you can use it. So this is not a screwdriver guys. Actually it is, I have just kept this to sew the records, when whatever the assignments, when you'll bind it, right? If you want to do it in home, if I didn't try it actually, but if you want to do it in home binding, then with the help of thread you can place the thread over here and you can sew your records. Oh god, I still have this chalk piece boxes. See, you need to have this chalk piece also. You need to carry your own chalk pieces guys. So here I have purchased one color chalk piece box, and here is the white chalk box, I guess. Yeah, it's finished, I guess. See, I kept in this itself. You have the paint one, paint box, brushes. Still what I have, this one, thermocol cutter or the chart cutter. This also play a very important role, because it won't be easy for you to cut the chart paper with the scissors and all that, so this cutter will also be very useful. So there were many more things. If at all I will find it, I'll definitely share with you again. That's all for today, guys. Stay connected and share this video with your colleagues. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.